Okay, Ian Milton here of Diamond Gleam, bath resurfacing and hard surface repairs. So what have we got today? That. Let's sort it out. Here's a closer look. It's had a bit of a bash. Okay, so we've been working away on this colour to get an exact match, and I've put it on another light here as I get close just to make sure that it's going to look good. I think you can just see the outline of these ones. This one here is the one we're going to go with. You know, as I get the reflection to stop coming off it, you can see that it's kind of blends in really well. I might make an adjustment to that on the fly while I'm putting the final thing on, but any further adjustment at this point in time will probably just knock it off. Okay, well, here's the bath that was damaged. If you remember rightly, there's a big chunk out of it around here somewhere. Can't really pick out where it is. I like to try and improve my act all the time, but I'm just not going to be able to do anything with that one. Hi there. So it was there and now it's not. Ian Milton, Diamond Gleam, hard surface repairs and bath resurfacing. Another job done.